Next, I'll answer a call using the hands-free mode. When you have an incoming call, by leaving the handset on hook and pressing the line that is flashing, or the hands-free button, on my phone, this activates the hands-free speaker mode. This was set up in the audio mode menu in the options list. Notice the hands-free LED is on solid. This indicates speakerphone mode. The hands-free microphone is located beneath the dial pad. Be careful not to obstruct the microphone, for example with papers or books. If I pick up the handset, the hands-free button is no longer lit, and I can continue my conversation on the handset. If I press the hands-free button again, the call is switched back to my speakerphone, and I can continue the call and return the handset back to the cradle.